I hope everyone is keeping safe, healthy and happy. So last time I've covered some of the posture which you can do while you are sitting at your chair and walking. So today I will be covering some other different posture because take a break from that chair and sit on your floor. It will give you a better relief, it will give you a better experience. So what I did is I have this table with me, and benefit of this table is you can do it as per your requirement, and I have this mat too. But the main thing is you have to be with the flow. मतलब आपके पीछे बैक पे फ्लोर दिस वॉल होना चाहिए so that you can take a support of that wall. Now what we can do is just sit very calmly, and you have to take this support of your wall, and your back should be on the 90-degree angle. Why it should be on the 90-degree angle? Because जो back pain और जो आपका back lower back pains होता है वो आपको नहीं होगा, and it will actually support you. And of course when you working, you can easily work at your doing your whatever or office stuff or any of the stuff. And of course don't forget that eye exercise which I told you. I hope you remember that कभी अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं, that Madhuri Dixit song, right? So आपको you have to do that exercise. Of course it's very mandatory to do this exercise. Why I have done this all this floor thing is because मैं बहुत बोर हो गई थी sitting at that chair, and now I wanted some different posture angle, and I find this posture very good for myself because it gives me a proper relief for my back, for my legs and for my arms and for my eyes too, because I don't have to have very much strain, and it's working fine for me. So I hope it will help you, and for more details you can obviously connect with to me. Thank you so much and stay happy.